click the link down below so you can go get yours. Look at the inside of the wig. Lace in the front, lace in the back, a full lace wig. And look at these locks, the quality. That's so dope. All right, y'all, I've been waiting to do this wig. Like, I just filmed this one, but I gotta do this one. Plus, my makeup look good, so why not do a 2-in-1 today? This is my lace front wig with locks, baby. Of course, they sent me some goodies. Oh, an inner lock hook, I guess, in case, you know, things get a little loose. Oh, some lace tape. I've never used this before. Some little cute hair accessories, a comb, and a small little crochet hook. Okay, of course, a little pamphlet letting you know all about the wig. Oh, a towel. It feels like it's like microfiber or something. Okay, I'm here for the branding. I love gifts. Thank you. You know, of course, a bag to store the wig in. Like the neighbor would pull up when I'm talking. All he's doing is parking the car. Like, why does it take you forever to back that big truck up? Okay, and it's a full lace wig. Stop playing. Good thing they match the edges. So you have these kinky edges. I'm so excited. Look at the inside of the wig. Lace in the front, lace in the middle, lace in the back. A full lace wig with locks and curly ends. Wow. And look at these locks. The quality. That's so dope. This is dope. All right, let's get this off. Can I just get it off? All right, wig off, baby. Let's put her on. Slide it on up. Okay, so the lace is slightly tinted, but I'm going to go in with my makeup brush. I didn't add any more product. This is just like leftover foundation on here from me doing my makeup earlier. See, just a little bit more. All right, let's do it. And I will be using my Erica J Hold Me Down lace adhesive. I've never tried lace strips before, and today will not be the day, baby. I usually will add a bald cap, but you know, here we are. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Now let me hold this for a second until I'm able to pick up my blow dryer and my wig not move. So let's do maybe a minute. Oh, okay. I think I should be able to let it go. Let it go. Is it stuck? Because the wig was in that bag, I guess I would have to like add some water. See, this side is cool, but this side, my lock's trying to do a flip. So I'll add some water to that in a minute. Let's make sure this lace is good. Everything is good, but my sides are still sticky, so. Okay. Not with the cap still on. Child, it's been a long day. It's been a long day coming. Watch my ear, watch my ear. Watch your ear, girl. Skip. Why is this color? First of all, though, it should definitely be black. Okay, I'm gonna use this root touch up. It's like some hair dye. It is black, but this white yellow color is crazy. Now let's see how we're going to do these edges. I think I just want to kind of swoop them. I'm trying to see what I want to swoop and what I want to pluck out. I'm ready to straighten this. Okay, yeah, just give me a little kink. Okay, now let's see Yeah, give me some cute little fluffy joints like that. Cut this a little bit. Not too much, baby girl. Just a a little bit. Okay, I like this over here. And there's the edges. Now, because that's all for the actual install. Okay. Here's the back. First I'm going to add some water, and then I'll add this Lotta Body to the ends to help define the curls. Or another thing that I should have done was taking the wig out of the package and doing this and then letting it sit and air dry and then applying it. I'll do that next time I install this wig, because yeah, she's a keeper. Right now, this is what the curls look like. That's cool, but you know, let's define them a little bit. Okay, there. All right, so my hair is somewhat dry. You can tell I defined the curls. So let's add a couple of these. Okay, so this side I went in and cut some of the curls down because I don't know, I feel like this is just too long. I don't know, I like it better like this. So I went in and gave it a little trim. It looked better with like a smaller curl versus like the longer ones. So all I did was just take my little eyebrow archer and went in and took some off of each one. See, it's this long. Just gonna take a little bit off. Now it's that long. So not too much. I wish I would have done this before I defined my curls, but we're here now. Because when you think about natural locks and how some people's hair curl up at the ends, it's only a little bit. It's not a lot. Okay, this is a lot better. I cut off quite a bit, but I love this better. All right, so this is it. Again, this is a full lace unit. Love that. My hair looks so good with like this oversized t-shirt. I love it. So my shirt is from Shein. These are from Fashion Nova. They were on sale, that's why I got them. But look, they're like super big. They are super wide at the bottom. I love these sweatpants. Like, it looks so good. And then my hair like this, oh, it's a vibe, baby. My nails are from Shein. My eyeshadow from Shein. My like lip stain is from Shein. Alright y'all, so that's all for this video. Click the link down below so you can go get yours. Let me know what you think down below as well. And I'll talk to you guys next time.